In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member on Jira, specifically focusing on Jira Service Management 2025. Whether you're a project manager looking to expand your team, or simply need to bring a new colleague into the fold, these steps will guide you seamlessly through the process. Let's begin by navigating to your project within Jira. It's important to be logged in with the appropriate permissions, generally as an administrator or a user with managing rights. Once you are inside your project, take a look on the upper right corner of your screen. There you'll see a set of 3 dots next to your project's name. Clicking those dots will activate a drop-down menu that gives you several options, one of which is to manage your team. From this drop-down, select Add People. This is where you'll really begin to customize the makeup of your team. You'll be prompted to enter some information about who you want to add. You can type the name, group, or email address of the user or group you need to include. Feel free to choose whichever option you find most convenient or have readily available. Jira also provides some flexibility for companies that might be using integrated systems. If your organization uses platforms like Google, Slack, or Microsoft, you can add members directly from these tools. This feature is particularly useful for larger organizations that aim to maintain a connected and integrated work environment. As you progress, you'll see the option to assign a role to the new team member. There's a drop-down list that includes roles such as administrator, member, or viewer. It's vital to carefully select the role that matches the responsibilities you'll be delegating to this person. Each role has different permissions, so make sure you choose the one that aligns best with the member's duties and your project's requirements. Finally, after making all these selections and double checking your choices for accuracy, you'll click the Add button. This action will assign the user or group to the selected role, officially making them a part of your team. At this point, the new member should receive an invitation or notification, depending on your organization's setup, informing them about their new role and how to access the project. And that's it. You've successfully added a team member to your project on Jira. Remember, a well-structured team is a key component of project success, so ensuring each member is correctly added and assigned will pay dividends as you move forward. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful for managing your team on Jira Service Management 2025.